a St. Cloud police officer who has served the community for more than 20 years is looking for help. He's been diagnosed with stage 4 liver cancer, and doctors say the survival chances are slim. But as News 13's Sandra Osborne tells us, police officers from the department are hoping your vote will be able to help his family.
Hi, my name is Boyd Graham. This is my wife, Claire.
St. Cloud Police Department officials created this video of Sergeant Graham and his wife hoping to raise money for medical and living expenses.
I've been a police officer for the city of St. Cloud for 16 and a half years. Prior to that, I served my country in the military for 8 years.
The video is for a contest on Imagine25k.com. It's sponsored by Center State Bank in Winter Haven, and the video maker with the most votes wins $25,000.
It's going through a number of medical procedures, chemotherapy to say the least, and going through a really rough time right now.
Unfortunately, the prognosis isn't good. Fellow officers of the St. Cloud Police Department say that Sergeant Graham may only have months to live, but they are hoping for a miracle.
Graham's wife, Claire, left her teaching job to take care of her husband and their newborn son. The sergeant was hospitalized this week, not well enough for an interview, but his biggest concern is his family's well-being.
All I could think about was the fear of where am I going to go? How am I going to live? How am I going to support this little guy? Sorry.
St. Cloud police are asking the public to vote on the video and to sign up for a mud run in June, with all the proceeds going to the Graham family. In St. Cloud, Sandra Osborne, News 13.